God, why am I suffering this much? Why is it that no one believes in me? I wish I never met you, Knight.
Be prepared.
I feel like I'm now a grown-up man. I want to move out and start my own life.
You should also start thinking about getting a wife.
See, Knight, I love you. Why don't you give me a chance?
Mariam, the truth is, I love you.
Actually, one thing I'm so sure of is that it's your father that buys your pants.
I need this.
That's the price of lies.
Stay away from my girlfriend.
Wait.
You're still in your father's house and you think you can have a girl of my class?
I've seen very many people who have been doing it live for so many years.
Do you
know the kind of family you're playing with?
Sulait, don't do anything that you regret for the rest of your life.
There is only one.
Congratulations, Knight. You're going to be a mother.
I'm pregnant.
Go again with the town to finish all of it. Night is lying.
There is always a way.
You're the one that deserves to be in this nasty place, not my man Chirimoto.
You are so evil.